Hey everyone! Welcome back to Travel Closely. Today, we're answering one of those classic travel questions. Can you bring a hair dryer on a plane? Let's find out. The short and sweet answer is yes, you can absolutely bring a hair dryer on a plane. But, of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. First off, you can pack your hair dryer in both your carry-on and checked luggage. No issues there, TSA has your back. Here is a quick answer from the Ask TSA on X. Hairdryers are allowed through the security checkpoint. However, please note that the air carrier regulates both the size and the number of items that each traveler is allowed to bring on board the aircraft. But here's a tip. Make sure it's turned off and unplugged before packing it away. If you're traveling internationally, double-check if you need a plug adapter or a voltage converter for the country you're visiting. At the security checkpoint, be ready in case they ask you to take out your hairdryer for inspection. It's pretty rare, but better to be prepared, right? If you want to save some space in your luggage, a travel-sized hairdryer might be a great option. They're compact, lightweight, and perfect for carry-on packing. One more thing when traveling internationally, check the wattage limits for appliances in your destination. Some countries have lower limits, and you'll want to avoid any surprises when plugging in your dryer. For example, in the US, the standard voltage is 110 volts, but in many European countries, it's 220 volts. Some countries have limits on wattage too, so you'll want to avoid any surprises when plugging in your dryer. Make sure your hair dryer is compatible, or bring a voltage converter just in case. And there you have it. You can definitely bring your hair dryer on your next trip. Just follow these quick tips and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone.